This 2026 Alliance RV Avenue 333BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mesquite, Texas, 75150 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Dallas. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Alliance RV is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 71 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.